Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name's Holly and I'm your internet dental hygienist. So it's Friday, I just got off work and I got a really special package delivered to me. I'm just gonna make this video quick because it's minus 18 out and I'm freezing in here. But today I got the new Oral-B IO electric toothbrush. I'm really excited. I actually cheekily already opened it to check it out inside, and let me tell you, it looks awesome. I guess I'm the only person who ever gets excited about electric toothbrushes, being a dental hygienist, but you should be excited about this toothbrush too, because it's revolutionary. It's changed the whole game, especially between Oral-B and Sonicare competition. I did pay for this myself, so there's no bias, there's no incentive to do this video. It's just the toothbrush and me. So I'm gonna go home, get ready, and show you what this toothbrush is all about. All right, so I've just made it home with the new Oral-B IO toothbrush. So I'm going to open it and show you what is inside. I've got another camera going, so I'll show you the up close of each thing that's inside. Okay, so I've literally just videotaped this and I forgot to press record. So here we are again. So this is the Oral-B IO electric toothbrush. This just came out a few months ago. It's a brand new one, new technology. So I got the professional use only one. So there is a couple differences between the one that you would buy in the store versus the one that I get. So this one comes with a handle, a charger, 2 brush heads, and a travel case. So let's open it up. So I really like how they package this. They've got a really nice insert here to say hello and welcome to the Oral-B IO. So you can see here. On the other side of the welcome package little slip here, there's a step-by-step guide of how to set up your toothbrush, how to get started, how to download the app, and just gives you an overall info guide. I really like how this is laid out. It's simple to use. Yeah, I really like this. This brush only comes with 2 different brush heads, so you can get the Ultimate Clean or the Gentle Care. I would personally use the Gentle Care just because my teeth can be a little bit sensitive, and I find it still gives a really good clean. So here it is in the box. So it comes just like this. The whole mechanism that the brush heads click into is completely different from the old Oral-B's. I'm actually going to go get you the Oral-B Genius just to show you the difference. Okay, so I've got the old Oral-B Genius here, and you can just take off this brush head and you can see how this one is operated. This is a little bit different from the ones that you would buy. This one is just a demo for in the office. But you can see that the attachment is completely different. So this one's a lot more wide. You can see the metal magnet inside that will help fuel the toothbrush to move. So you can see the difference between the Sonicare and the Oral-B brush. The size of brush head is completely different. So you've got more of an elongated one and more of a round one for the Oral-B. So here's the Oral-B IO. You can see it has a really nice sleek design on the front. It's really nice actually. I'm really impressed. I find the older Oral-B's at the bottom here, because it's like a plug-in almost, that it plugs into the charging cable, it gets really gunky and really dirty. I find I'm cleaning it out all the time. But this, because it's magnetic, it'll be so much easier to keep clean. All right, so the next thing here, we're going to take out this packaging. So inside the case, you do get a charging case. You can see here, the Oral-B toothbrush just goes right in there. And then you can put the 2 brush heads in here that will fit really nicely. Because I got the professional model, it's not a charging case, but if you buy this off of Amazon, it will be a charging case. I'll just show you the different modes if you can see here. Okay, so you can choose between Daily Clean, Sensitive, Whiten, Gum Care, Intense, Super Sensitive, Tongue Clean, and different settings that you can choose, and back to the Daily Clean. Do you want to brush your teeth, Marks? Let's get to opening the rest of the box. Okay, so for the next thing to come out of the box is this charging base. It's a really, really nice magnetic charging. So I can get it out. Don't make that easy. This is the charging base. It's really, really nice. I love the feel of this. This seems extremely high quality. And this just fits on from a magnet. So it does tip over quite easily though, but you won't be doing that if it's sitting on your bathroom counter. There we go. And then you get 2 brush heads. You get an Ultimate Clean and a Gentle Care one. Does it say? It doesn't say on the package which one is which. These are the only 2 that they sell with the IO toothbrush. The reason why I was hesitant to get the IO brush was because it only fits IO brush heads. The reason I love Oral-B is because it fits every single brush head that is across their market. So if you have braces, or if you have like a Gentle Care one, a sensitive, my favorite, the Ultra SensiClean, all of these brush heads fit the Oral-B, all of them across the board. It doesn't matter if you bought the $40 one or if you bought the $200 one, they fit all of them. With this one, it doesn't. The Oral-B IO, only the IO brushes fit this one. So that can be a really limiting factor, and you're kind of stuck buying expensive replacement brush heads. I'm just gonna go open up one of these brush heads and put it on the brush. Hey, Margs. This is the Gentle Clean brush. It's really nice, has good spacing on the bristles, and it's that round design. This is the other brush head that it comes with, and this one is called the Ultimate Clean. I'll open this to show you up close. So you can see the difference between these 2 brush heads. This one's a little bit more dense and has more angled bristles, but they're both a soft. This one might be extra soft and this one's soft. So at the bottom of the box, we just have a coupon there and the whole instruction manual. So it goes through each part, how to set it up, how to choose your colors, how to choose your mode. And then if you have any other questions, it should be in here. A really common question that I get, an inquiry I get from patients, is how loud are these toothbrushes when they're using them? So I have the Oral-B IO, I have the Oral-B Genius, and I have the Philips Sonicare, the DiamondClean. So I have my Decibel app here, Decibel reader, so I'm going to use each one on the Whiten mode and then each one on the sensitive mode, and then you can see how loud each toothbrush compares to the other. So we'll start with the Oral-B Genius. So this one is on, we'll put it on the Whiten mode. Okay, so this is on the Whiten mode. You can see that it's averaging about 88 decibels. For the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean, we will use it on the Whiten mode and see how many decibels it is. So about 64 decibels. Okay, and then now we'll do the Oral-B IO and put it on the Whiten mode and see how many decibels it is. So it's about 61 decibels. So out of all of the toothbrushes for the Whiten mode, the Oral-B IO is the most quiet. So now we're going to do the sensitive mode, so we'll see how quiet it is. So we've got the sensitive for the Oral-B IO. So it's about 53 decibels for that, for the Oral-B IO on the sensitive setting. The next toothbrush is again the Oral-B Genius. I have it on the sensitive mode, so we'll see how many decibels this creates. So it's averaging about 85 decibels. And last one, we'll do the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean on the setting sensitive and see how many decibels it is. So it's about 59 decibels. Comparing all of these three toothbrushes against each other for sound, the Oral-B Genius comes in last. It is the most loud. The Sonicare DiamondClean is in the middle, and the Oral-B IO is the winner. So if you're looking for a really quiet toothbrush, the Oral-B IO is the one to go for. Okay, so I think the last thing we need to do is go and try this thing out. Say hi. Hi. Hello, everyone. Okay, so I've got my Oral-B IO here. I'm just gonna put some toothpaste on and then we'll get brushing. So you guys have to let me know if you are team put water on your brush before you put toothpaste on or put water on your brush after you put toothpaste on. I am team put water on after toothpaste. All right, here we go. Wow, that's a really nice toothbrush. My teeth feel amazing, super smooth. It is similar to how I feel after I brush my teeth with my other Oral-B, but overall this is a great toothbrush, a really good user experience, and if you're looking for something that's a little bit higher end than the other Oral-Bs, then this is the one to go for. My teeth feel so good after brushing with that Oral-B IO. If you're looking for a toothbrush or you're not sure if you want to pick between a Sonicare or an Oral-B, if you go to my website, you can search for my Oral-B and Sonicare competitive review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know below, and I hope you guys have a great day.